Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and in this quick video I am going to share a valuable resource with you. I know many of you are worried about cue cards from January to April or January, February and March and all that. Let me tell you, British Council, IDP and Cambridge University, they never change cue cards after 3 months. Let me tell you. Even today, they are using the same cue cards which they used to use 5 years ago, 10 years ago. So please stop worrying yourselves, stop messing around with this idea that where are the new cue cards, I'm waiting for new cue cards and this and that and all that stuff. I'm going to share 42 topics for IELTS speaking part 1, and these topics are evergreen. They don't change after 3 months. These topics are evergreen. I mean, today even one of my students appeared in IELTS speaking test and he told me the same thing. As far as cue cards are concerned, many students have told me about the cue cards, and I'm sharing a wonderful resource with you for cue cards. And imagine in that, I mean, there are total 3 books now. I've changed my mind. I'm sharing this resource where there are 200 evergreen cue cards. You can use them today, you can use them after 6 months, even you can use them after 1 year as well, and these cue cards are same. So these 3 resources rolled into one. You just need to go down in the description box, and there I have given 3 links. 1, 2, 3, click the link, it will open a new window, and there you will find PDF waiting for you with 42 IELTS speaking part 1 topics. There is another PDF there, and that PDF is waiting for you with 200 IELTS speaking cue cards with sample answer. And then there is a third book. That third book contains part 1 and part 2 cue cards, and which are commonly used even today. This is January and they are using the same cue cards. Around 20 students approached me and they told me about their cue cards, and these cue cards are same. Okay, so don't worry. Don't mess around with this thing that every 3 months they change the cue card. Not at all. Let me tell you, they never change the cue cards after 3 months. They don't even know that this mess is going on with the students, that after 3 months there are new cue cards. This isn't true. Okay, they might add a couple of cue cards and that's it. All the best, guys. Thank you very, very much. I also teach IELTS online. If you want to join my online IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Don't forget to comment my jacket if you like it. Okay, thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.